Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching another episode of LyndzyTIME. In today's video, I'm gonna be doing the salon dip color system from Keys, and this is a DIY. I'll just do it at home and I'm gonna show you guys how I did my nails. So first off, what's inside the box? So this is how it looks like, and I have here another extra powder and it's in silver. Well, the package comes with it. So the first one here is this top gel, and then this one is the base gel, and we also have the activator and also a brush softener. That's cool that it comes with it. And then there's another two extra brushes for this one, and of course the acrylic powder, and also we have that dip tray and the instruction and also a nail file. First thing to do is to prepare your nails. You need to buff your nail and make sure there's no oil on your nail, so you just need to buff it gently without hurting your nails. Now that I already buffed my nails and it's all ready, we are now going to pour the color dip powder into the dip tray, and I'm gonna be using these two. I'll just be mixing it so that the silver won't be super flashy when I put it on my nails. Using this manicure stick, I'm just gonna be mixing it. Now the second step is to apply a coat of base gel over entire surface area of the nail, avoiding the skin and the cuticle area. Just a note to remember, remove any gel on skin with manicure stick. Step 3 is to immediately dip entire fingernail into powder by carefully sliding finger into the dip tray. Shake off excess powder and do these steps on the rest of your nails. Now that I'm done with my first 5 nails, I'm just using this UV lamp for nails to dry my nails, or you can also air dry it for like a minute. Fourth step is to dust off excess powder from all your nails with a sponge included. Do this gently, and oh, I forgot to mention, there is a sponge that comes with a package, so this is how it looks like. Step number 5, one nail at a time, apply a second layer of base gel and then dip into powder. So here you need to wipe the brush onto the paper towel in between each application before placing the brush back into the gel bottle. And then just repeat the same steps. Now I'm just gonna be drying my nails again using this UV lamp, or of course you can do it air dry, and then just brush off gently the excess powder. Next step is to apply a generous amount of activator to all your nails. Make sure to avoid your skin. After putting the activator, wait for about 1 minute and then file to shape your nails and also buff it smoothly so it would be even on your nail. I know it's crazy that you need to buff, but it's part of the process and later on it will be shiny. Don't worry guys. And then gently remove dust with a sponge. Next is to reapply the activator on all your nails again and avoiding your skin. Step 9 is to remove excess activator by wiping nail surface with a dry paper towel. 10 is to apply 2 even layers of top gel as you would top coat and let air dry for 5 to 10 minutes. For faster drying, I'm just using this lamp again, and once it's already dry, I'm putting on the second layer and I'm done. So there you go guys, this is my final step. I'm just putting on this Sally Hansen's vitamin E cuticle oil, and it helps me moisturize and restore my cuticle to its healthy stage. So I used to put this every time after I do my manicure. I'm just rubbing it gently from my cuticle up to my nail. So there you go guys, this is how my nails look like, and it is super nice. I love it. It can last for up to a month, and it is not super thick like other gel polishes, and yeah, I love it so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do so, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to be part of my #FamLyndzy. See you on my next vlog. Bye.